Hello everyone. Today I am there in front of you, and today we are going to deal with our topic, that is lymphatic system. Okay, lymphatic system is a system which is meant for collecting the sort of waste material which is generated inside the entire body in the tissues. Okay, समझ में आया? Basically our body is a constituent of सेल ने ही हमें बनाया है, एंड सेल आर क्लबिंग टुगेदर टू मेक द टिश्यूज, एंड our entire body is having the tissues. So our entire body is generating some sort of waste material also which need to be transported. Okay, so for that transportation we are having one particular system that is known as a lymphatic system. तो lymphatic system का function क्या है? पूरी body से waste चीजों को इकट्ठा करके लाना. ठीक है. लिम्फ क्या है? उसके अंदर बेसिकली लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम के अंदर सर्कुलेट करने वाला लिक्विड फ्लूइड दैट इज नोन एज लिम्फ. सो लिम्फ इज अ सर्कुलेटिंग फ्लूइड like blood, but it is not blood. Why it is not blood? Because it is not carrying any sort of RBCs. Its major component is a WBC, plasma. Okay, but red BC is not there. Actually, the lymph vessels in which they are transporting doesn't have any sort of permeability for the RBC. तो आपकी जो कैपिलरीज होती हैं, ब्लड कैपिलरीज, उनमें से आरबीसी निकल करके बाहर नहीं आ सकती. बट WBC क्या है? WBC can change their shape as per the requirement, so they can move out also in the surrounding tissue. Plasma can also be leaked out, but RBC can't. So what is the basic component which are present inside the lymph? That is a plasma is there, proteins are there, and platelets may be there, but especially RBC is not there. Okay, it runs in the lymph capillaries and it is basically colorless. A reason I already told why it is colorless, because it doesn't carry any sort of RBC. It is colorless and contain most of the ingredients similar to blood. Okay, it does not contain RBC. This is the point to be noted, and make it as important that it doesn't contain any sort of RBC. Lymph mainly contains WBC and plays an important role in fighting infection. See, whatever the tissue damages are there inside the different organs, okay, so that need to be removed from that part. कुछ wearing tearing है, कुछ dead tissue है जो जगह जगह पे deposit है, तो उनको वहीं पे तो पड़ा नहीं रहने दे सकते ना. It need to be transported from that place. तो ये काम कौन करेगा? This work is going to be performed with the help of lymph. ठीक है. लिम्फ में क्या है? WBC. WBC क्या करेगा? फैगोसाइटोसिस करेगा, तो हो गई क्लीनिंग. ओके, व्हाट एवर द अदर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सब्सटेंसेस आते हैं उसको उठा करके वहां से लेके जाएंगे किसमें? लिम्फेटिक वेसल्स में. It also contain most of the proteins present in the blood. This part I already told कि कुछ proteins हैं इसके अंदर. Lymph finally joins into the blood capillaries, और ये finally आकर के blood capillaries से join हो जाता है. क्यों? blood capillaries क्या करेंगी? Further जाकर के veins के साथ में connect करेंगी, फिर veins जाकर के connect होने के बाद में आपको जैसा कि यहाँ पे दिख रहा है लेफ्ट सबक्लेवियन vein, इसमें pour कर दिया जाएगा and ultimately it will reach to the heart. It also contains most of the protein present in the blood. Lymph finally joins into the blood capillaries. Lymph is collected from tissue in most part of the body and returned to the blood via the lymphatic system. ठीक है, तो ये lymphatic system के थ्रू पूरी बॉडी से कलेक्ट किया जाता है. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? And it is going to be poured into the heart only. It is not like the any very useful substance which need to be transported to the each and every body organ. Actually, it is collected from each and every body organ and it is going to be poured into the heart through subclavian vein, because heart is going to then make the blood oxygenated, deoxygenated, purifications will be there, and in between you are able to see the small this nodes like structure. Okay, इनको हम बोलते हैं lymph nodes. तो you must be thinking क्या पूरी बॉडी का कचरा उठा करके हार्ट में डाल देंगे क्या? No, it is not going to happen like that. Whatever the waste material is there, whatever need to be purification, that purification process is going to be performed by the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are having specialized type of cells, that is B lymphocytes and the T lymphocyte. They will be cleaning that product. Okay, after cleaning only they will send the purified substances into the heart. Okay, so lymph is collected from the tissue in most part of the body and returned to the blood via lymphatic system. And lymph organs include, lymph organs कौन कौन से होते हैं? Again, this is a very important point. So make it proper. Like bone marrow. Bone marrow is basically present inside the bones. Okay, lymph nodes, as I told you, these small nodes like structure are known as lymph nodes. Spleen is also there. Here is the spleen which you are able to see. Spleen भी क्या करेगा? Purification. Okay. Next thing, thymus is also there, which is located near to the heart, which you are able to see in the picture, which is there near to the heart. In the yellow part you are able to see, okay, like over here. So precursor cells in the bone marrow produce lymphocytes. So bone marrow के cells are going to produce the lymphocytes. Okay, lymphocytes क्या है? ये specialized cells हैं जो basically body में cleaning का काम करते हैं, neutralize करेंगे उनको. B lymphocytes mature in the bone marrow. So type of lymphocytes are there. They are of two types, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes, where they will be getting synthesized, they are synthesized inside the bone marrow. And T lymphocytes thymus gland में बनने वाले. ठीक है. Human lymph nodes are bean shaped. Human lymph nodes जो होती हैं वो bean shaped हैं basically. They may become enlarged due to a tumor or infection. अगर इनमें कभी infection हो जाता है, then they may enlarge also. WBC are present in the lymph nodes. The basic function of the WBC is basically the cleaning. Okay. Lymph nodes are filter of lymph. So as I already told you, lymph nodes में क्या रहेगा? B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte. What they are going to do? Whatever the impurities which the lymph is bringing, so it is going to clean all the impurities, and then after only that lymph is going to be poured inside the heart. Okay. नेक्स्ट थिंग, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ लिम्फ? दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. क्या जरूरत है, क्यों चाहिए हमें लिम्फ? फंक्शन क्या है इसका? लिम्फ कैरीज डाइजेस्टेड एंड एब्जॉर्ब्ड फैट फ्रॉम इंटेस्टाइन. तो इंटेस्टाइन से जो डाइजेस्टेड फैट्स होते हैं, एब्जॉर्ब फैट्स जो होते हैं, वो ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के लिए लिम्फ वेसल ही चाहिए. व्हेन यू माइट हैव सीन अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द विलाई, इन द सेंटर यू माइट हैव सीन द लिम्फ डक्ट और द लिम्फ वेसल. तो वो क्या करती है? बेसिक मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन इज टू कैरी द डाइजेस्टेड एंड एब्जॉर्ब fat from the intestine to the entire body. It drains excess fluid from extracellular space back into the blood. See, suppose if there is a sort of injury where there is a sort of leakage from the blood vessel, so there will be the deposition of some sort of fluid. That is the reason you might have seen the sort of swelling or the edema. Okay, तो वो वहाँ पे fluid इकट्ठा हो चुका है. That fluid need to be replaced from that place, so that swelling should be reduced. So what is need to be done? That fluid need to be transported. So who is going to collect that? Ultimately lymph vessel is only going to collect that collected material which is there inside the tissue, and that substance is going to be transported to the lymph nodes for the purification, for cleaning, and then only it will be transported to the heart. लिम्फ सप्लाइज मैच्योर lymphocytes. तो lymphatic system में ही तो lymphocytes बने आपके बोन मैरो में एंड अदर प्लेस थाइमस में. ओके, lymph supplies mature lymphocytes to the blood. Lymph acts to remove bacteria, other thing, whatever the bacterial or the germs entry which are there inside your body. So there is some cleaning agent, that is the lymph is only going to transport those bacteria and all that to the lymph node, so that it need to be purified. It is going to be killed. WBC is going to kill those bacteria ultimately. And other thing, it also maintains the fluid balance. So again, what else it is going to do? It is going to maintain the fluid balance. So first point is very important. Focus on that, and the other points are also good. You need to be focused on first and fourth point. These are very important for you, but you have to learn all the points properly. Okay, so this was all about the lymphatic system, and next topic we are going to proceed tomorrow.